Hi everyone, this is Sandeep, and here I'm going to replace this burner from this boiler. To replace this burner, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this fan. So to remove the fan, I have to undo this butterfly knot, and then I can take this fan easily out of, so I can have a more room to work. So I'm going to remove the fan now. So the fan has been removed. So now you can see the two screw, below the burner. So this one and the another one. I'm going to undo this thing, and like that's the one holding the burner. So the burner is out. So this is the new burner. I'm going to compare this new burner with the old one, and you can find the difference. So the reason why I'm changing this, when I came for the gas safety inspection, the level of carbon monoxide was really high. That's the reason why I'm changing this thing. I'm changing the burner. So the burner has been replaced. Pump has been assembled back to the boiler. Here you can see, it's everything in place. Now like it's time to check the burner cover seal. So I make sure all the seals, they are intact and in good condition, and then I put the cover back. And once everything is back, I perform CP4 tightness test and make sure the boiler is in good condition and safe to use. Thank you for watching this video.